Hello WordPress buddies, I'm here with a new ChatGPT's GPT, and this time I'm creating a ChatGPT for or a GPT for Contract Form 7. You know the Contract Form 7. I obviously believe you already know the Contract Form 7 is 10 million active users are actively using it because it's the pioneer of the Contract Form 7 contract form actually. So this plugin is more like developer friendly, but if you are non-coder it's really tough for them because you have to do the simple styling button or form styling with this custom css, so it's really tough for them. So I built a gpt and it will help you to give you the actual tags for forms of the contract form 7 and help you to create an advanced level forms. If you want to build extensions or anything, it will help to create the contract form 7 extension, so you don't have to rely on any third-party tools or anything if you want to build your own contract form 7 extensions for your websites. So I hope this GPT will help you. Let's dive in. If you search in the, it's available in the ChatGPT's GPT store, and you can search it for contract form 7 expert. So you will get it. If after clicking it, you will get this interface, and there are some pre-made communication starter. You can create, select anyone, or if you like, I'm selecting this one, but I just want to give it, I want a contact form with super cool green, blue, green, white and dark styling. Just I'm giving it a form. Let's try the form structure. This is giving the code. Okay, this is the form code. You already know what that means and what's the available. Let's see what's the styling is giving it right now. It's already come with the responsive font styles as well, so it's very super cool. I'm just giving the styles, preview features and testing, and it's anything like that. So let's moving forward. I'm just creating a new form. Oh sorry, I'm not creating a new form, I'll just using the old form. This is the untitled form, I'm using it. Now paste it here, hit the save button. This form already added here. Sorry, this is a simple contract form. You already see I'm using the generate theme. It's already have customizers. If you don't have any customizers, if you're using block themes, so those block themes don't have the customizers, so you have to rely on the third-party plugins, those will help you to add the css, or you can use the your themes style css functions, sheet style css sheet to add your css styles. So moving forward, I'm jumping back to my gpt contract form 7 expert gpt, copying the style here. Now I'm in the customize tab and I'm removing the all css here, so you can see this default styling. Now I'm pasting it here, you can see the results here. That's the beauty. You are getting a very interesting form right now. Let's hit the publish button, and it's already here. So I'm just refreshing the page, you can see the magic. Now the most interesting part is, like, if you want to add the contract form information, if you just hit the submit button, there was an error in the error handling form. So if you want to make the styling of this, then you will also ask the ChatGPT that can help you in this case. That's it. So this is how you can use the ChatGPT extension. It will help to debug the issues, it will help to create styling forms, it will help to advanced level forms. Like if I refresh the page, okay, if I go to the contract form 7, just if you want a multi-step form with including a progress bar, it will give you a multi-step form in the file upload and the prerequisites. Contract form 7, an optional easier multi-step configurations, and there is option the file upload. Step 2, it's giving you the all codes. Okay, I don't need this. I like the old CSS, old ChatGPT style. So it's also come with the custom JavaScript and progress bar styles, and these are all the things you have to do. All the things, just copy and paste the file upload configurations. You can paste in the contract form interface, then multi-step form styling, hidden step 1, step 2, step 3. These codes are already available, and I have to implement the codes. I think this will help you to create a multi-step form easily. You don't have to rely on the third-party add-ons. Sorry, my guys, those who have third-party add-ons maybe dislike this GPT, but this is the new era of using things. So I hope those who are interested in creating this kind of tools, and if you want to create a database, then you can without using the it's add-on. I forgot the name. Sorry, I forgot the name. So you can create a database system, or you integrate your mail system, MailChimp or anything, something like that. If you want to jump in the like, I want to integrate with MailChimp. That's it. Integrated controls, it will give you understanding solution approach using the MailChimp WordPress plugin. You can use this method, or you can use the control function checkbox subscribe to newsletter, and this will help you to have the API key, all the things you will get from where you can get the API key. You can use the function PHP file, you can get the things. That's it. That will help you to create understanding advanced forms by using this GPT. This will help you to far more better way to integrate your basic control from 7 to advanced level thing. I hope you guys will like it and share your opinion. I am very much excited about this GPT. If you find this GPT helpful, then give a shout out. I hope everyone will find it helpful, those who are using control from 7, and it will give you an idea how you can explore more things regarding your control from 7 or anything like this. I think this will help you. This will help you to get idea how you can enter in the AI by using a WordPress plugin or creating a GPT for the WordPress plugins. So that's it. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye. I'll see you in the next video.